Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our third lesson, that is Good Citizen. From this lesson, we can know about the differences between animals and human beings, and we can understand the good values and also can know about the factors that enrich good values. Here, man is a social animal. Human beings are bestowed with senses. Bestowed means they are gifted. So, human beings are gifted with senses. We are gifted with how many senses, children? 6 senses. Human beings think and act using their senses. So, they will think and act by using their senses. They are born free but bound in the social web. They cannot live alone. So, human beings cannot live alone. They need social and some emotional support. So, human beings cannot live alone. So, they need some social and emotional support. To live in the society, they need to develop some good values. So, they need some emotional support and social support, and also they need to develop some good values to live in the society. So, we need some good values. So, we are born with few values and rights. So, we are born with few values and some rights. These values are further policed in educational institutions like schools, colleges. So, those born values are policed in educational institutions. The aim of the education is to change a person into a valuable human being. So, what is the aim of the education, children? Changing a person into a valuable human being. Here they have given some values. They are helping someone, watering a saplings, saluting to our flag, helping grandparents, gardening, and pampering pet animal. What do the above pictures say? These are good values. So, helping someone, salute to our flag, gardening, watering saplings, helping grandparents, and pampering pet animals. These are some good values. Here, good values. So, good values are the qualities of a person that keep the society running. So, because of the good values of a person, the society keeps running. These qualities can be developed by all human beings. So, these good values can be developed by all human beings. The term civic relates to people or civilian or citizen of a country. So, the term civic, it relates to the people or civilian or a citizen of a country. People should live together in unity. Have you all heard of a proverb, children? Unity is strength. Yes. So, people should live together in unity. Despite all the disparities. What is disparities, children? Differences. So, despite of all the differences, living together in harmony is a significant value. So, this is the living together in spite of the differences is a significant value. And also helping others is an important value. Living together and helping others, both are significant value and very important value. Then there should be no disparity among people. What is disparity, children? I have told you already, it is a difference. So, there should be no difference among people and all are one, all are equal. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens of the nation. So, today's children are considered as the tomorrow citizens of the nation. Moral and good values have to be inculcated in children. So I have told you already, the aim of the education is to change a person into a valuable human being. So moral and good value have to be inculcated in children so that they may become valuable citizens. So we need to inculcate the moral values and good values to the children. Here they have given some good values. See children, personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values and constitutional values. So what are the good values children? Personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values and constitutional values. Here they have given one quote of Swami Vivekananda. World survives on morality. Morality means some system of principles. And selfishness is immoral, which means not accepting the morality. And selflessness is moral, that is accepting morality. So world survives on morality. Selfishness is immoral and selflessness is moral. Okay children, tomorrow we'll discuss in detail about good values. They are personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values and constitutional values. Okay children, thank you all. See you.